Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to show you how to add text to speech in Canva video. So it will be free, so you can do it as you wish. So first of all, you need to go or visit canva.com. As you can see, we already landed in canva.com. So here we need to select our layout for our implement of this integration. So for that reason I am going to click over here. I already made a template over that place, that's why I did this one. And now you need to go on apps. Here you will find out, if you scroll down and you will find out next to the project, just click over here, and here you need to search text to voice, and they will give you some option over that place. And here you need to click on text to speech. Once you click over here, they will give you some apps option, like bunch of apps you already get in that place. So here you can select this first one, just click over here and click add. So I already added these apps in my canvas, so for that reason I can easily use it. In fact, the apps is really simple and the dashboard is really friendly, so you can understand everything if you want. So here you can see we have select language, we have bunch of other country language over that place, so you can check it out and you can choose over them. Then you can select the voice. Here we have some female voice, we have kids, and some are premium, so you need to select it perfectly for you. Then we can change out the volume, then speed, pitch also. So now I am going to add this voice to our image. So right now click on create audio. Once you click over here, you can see our voice has been added to this way. So now I am going to play this video. Let's play it.
Hello, nice to meet you.
So you can see the result, the text has been added to our video. So again, let's try with another text. Hello, how are you? So now click over this create audio. Once you click over here, you can see that our audio has been added. So now check it out.
Hello, how are you?
So you can see this is really simple, and this quick tutorial will be helpful for you. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.